Don't mind me, guys. Just here to steal your multi-million-dollar military-grade whirlybird. Ooh, Nazi's lying. Should have used the bye-bye. This is your fault! Fix it! With ammo! Now these should come in handy. There you go!
I want him dead. Get Shark One off the ground and rip him to pieces.
Roger that, sir. Consider him handled.
Damn, they found the helicopter's on switch.
What, you can't hijack a chopper while it's flying around trying to turn you into shredded cheese?
You doubt our skills? Prepare to be amazed!
Bullets no work on evil metal bird.
I can't kill that chopper with my guns, but I can scare him. Oh my God, you're blocked! Oh, hey, babe.